back that wasn't linked to a Konami ID. Recover old eFootball account. Let's talk about this. So, let's start the video. First, you need to open the game and create a new account. After that, go to Extras, select Support, and then choose Link Data. Now, link this new account to Google Play. This step is important because the support team needs a linked account to help you recover the old one. Once that is done, go back and select Services and Info. Then tap on the General Contact link. This will take you to Konami's support page. Scroll down and tap on I can't restore my account using data transfer. On the next page, scroll down again and select I can't restore my account using data transfer once more. After that, scroll down and tap on Accept. Now, select your region and tap Next. Here, you need to enter as many details as possible about your old account. This includes your email address, username, and old user ID if you have it. You should also enter details like your base team, team name, and the two-letter shorthand name linked to your team. If you remember when you first started the game and the last time you logged in, along with the device you used before and now, it will increase your chances of account recovery. Once you've filled in all the details you can remember, tap Next. The support team will assist you from here. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.